What's up, YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and I want to wish everyone a happy Mother's Day and talk about something different that I normally don't talk about on my channel, but I want to talk about gardening. Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. Like I said at the start, happy Mother's Day. I'm showing this bill here because this is actually my anniversary note that I recently bought, 2012, May 5th. And today is May 5th, but it's not 2012, it's 2019. So this is actually my 7th year wedding anniversary today. And you might be saying, why are you making a YouTube video on your wedding anniversary? But I'm actually not. I'm making it before that, and then I pre-upload my videos, and that way I don't have to make one every single day. So anyway, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. But today I want to talk about gardening. So let's get this out of here. And like I said, this isn't something that I normally talk about on my channel. But let me show a couple plants here. And I do want to talk about why I think it's extremely important to know how to garden. So this one right here is red cherry tomatoes. I love these. We grow these pretty much every single year. Those are awesome. And then this one here is a lemon cucumber. And we pretty much grow these every year too. Our kids love these. But gardening is an extremely important skill to have. And it's not something that is, well, super obvious to everyone. I mean, there is a lot of work and stuff that goes into gardening, but it's not as simple as just planting something and then throwing water on it and having it grow. I mean, that's basically how it works, but there's a lot more to it than that. So I do not view myself as a master gardener, but I do sort of know the basics. I mean, you do have to have soil that's good for growing food. One easy way to do that is just go and actually buy soil that already has fertilizer in it and is for growing vegetables, and you can just put more of that in every single year or sort of mix it into the soil that you already have. I personally have 3 raised beds. They're all 8 feet by 4 feet, and those are what I use to grow the vegetables. But one thing that us as stackers don't really think about is sort of prepping and using our skill sets for if we ever need them in the future. So we're prepping stuff like silver. Let me show a Krugerrand here. This is actually one that I'm giving away in my giveaway, which is in, 3 days from today. So if you haven't entered that yet, definitely enter my giveaway and you'll get a chance to win this Krugerrand. But we buy stuff like silver and gold to prepare for the future if a SHTF happens, or you know, if we ever are in a time of need and we can't get to real money, we have our silver, right? But what about food? Being able to grow things yourself is very, very cool and rewarding, but also it could help you provide food for yourself in the future if you ever needed to. So I think that's one thing that all stackers should know how to do. You should have some experience in planting stuff and growing it. And so I just wanted to sort of briefly talk about that today. It is Mother's Day, and I think we should all spend some time with our wives and mothers, especially if our wives are mothers themselves, which mine is. So I'm not going to keep you all too long, but I think it's extremely important to know how to garden. And we just picked these up the other day, so I thought I'd show them on the camera here. And I'm curious, how many of you out there in the community do know how to garden? How many of you have your own garden? You grow your own vegetables or fruit every year? I would love to know, so definitely leave me a comment down below. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons, out.